Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'll show you my crochet dress. You can see it's a really big dress. This is for me, and this project I use Malai cord yarn, and this is really pretty dress. You can see the stitch and everything, and this is sweet pink color. This color is my favorite one. I like pink too. So sweet pink with white flower. It looks so beautiful, so pretty. I'll show you more deep, more close. You see, this is the pineapple stitches over here, the bottom part, and some flower. This is very easy stitch. If you know how to do crochet, you can make it very easily. And there are another 3 flower. And this is another stitch. This design is really pretty. And this is the back side. I put a lot of flower in back side too, because back side is really important. So front side and back side, all over flower and flower. This is the back side. I'll show you guys. Back side is same stitch, and 4 or 5 bottom. Over here 4 button. So this is the full dress. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and click the bell button. Thanks for watching. Bye.